Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage not working after iOS update. If you have updated your iOS version and you're having the issue that your iMessage is not working after your update, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you just have to open up your app store here and you have to go for search and you have to search for message here and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your message app. If you find any pending update here, try to update your messages app, and after doing that you just have to go back from here. So now you just have to open your settings here, go for general, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that you have completely installed your software updates or you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending software update like that, you have to try to update your software, and after updating it will most fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, so you just have to go for settings again, go for apps, then go for iMessage app or the message app from here, and then you'll find a toggle here. You just have to enable your iMessage first. So once you have enabled, you just have to wait for some seconds here or waiting for activation. So once your iMessage has been activated, you have to set up your phone number or your email for send and receive iMessage. After that, your issue will be fixed. Or if this also doesn't work for you, so you can try to make a force restart. So now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up and then volume down. Then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on the volume up and volume down. Then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen here, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you find Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not, or if you're still having the same issue. So you just have to open up your Apple Sport app, or you can try to use Apple Sport Web. So open up your Apple Sport app here and then select your iPhone from here. Once you have selected your iPhone, just select the more option. Then look for messages or iMessages here. It's messages option, select that. And here you just have to scroll down, you'll find the option of get more help. Select call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you'll be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and verify it or get official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iMessage is not working after your iOS update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.